Today let us make COVID kit, home COVID kit. Today I am going to show how to make a home COVID kit. The most essential thing is a hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizers are developed for use after washing hands or for those times when soap and water are not available. These contain alcohol in order to kill the germs present on the skin. The alcohol works immediately and effectively in order to kill bacteria and most viruses. It contains 80% of ethanol, volume by volume. So it is a very good sanitizer. Next, the most essential thing in the prevention of COVID is zinc tablets and nothing but multivitamin tablets. These are proved to be protective against the COVID by some trials, and zinc is used by some people to help with the common cold or lung infections like asthma. It also helps in wound healing, in healing of ulcers and infections. Vitamin C capsules are also help in wound healing, and they also help in boosting the immunity. These come in chewable tablets, chewable ascorbic acid tablets. These should be taken twice a day, 2 tablets a day. Calcium and vitamin D tablets should also be taken once a day. This is N95 mask that prevents 90% of COVID viral particles, and we should keep 5 masks with us, and we should number them as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and for each mask should be used a day, and after that 5th day we have to use again the mask with number 1. Like that each mask can be used for 5 times, and this mask costs around 250 rupees or 350 rupees, and it is very protective. And common surgical masks will prevent 50% of the COVID infection, and cloth masks also prevent 30 to 40% of infection. These 5 major things help in preventing COVID infection, and these are the most essential things for us to carry in case of COVID. Next, the most essential thing is the digital thermometer. Digital thermometer is used to take an oral temperature. It is a small handheld device with a window showing your temperature in numbers. There are many kind of digital thermometers, and these digital thermometers are easy to use and measure body temperature within seconds, and this is very essential to diagnose even minimal fevers. Another thing is pulse oximeter. The purpose of pulse oximetry is to check how well your heart is pumping oxygen throughout the body. It may be used to monitor the health of individuals with any type of condition that can affect the blood oxygen levels, especially in this COVID time. Box. Malina? Okay. Let us open this pulse oximeter box. It costs around 2000 to 3000 rupees, and this is the pulse oximeter, and it should be used like this, and it should be kept to a finger, and it will display the pulse rate and the saturation levels. If the saturation levels are less than 95, it is significant, and if the pulse levels are more than 100, it is significant. Generally our pulse is between 60 to 100, and saturation levels are between the 98 to 100. These includes the paracetamol tablets and levocetirizine tablets and other antibiotics like azithromycin, etc. And if in any case of any symptoms, we should go to the nearby public center and nearby government general hospitals, and we have to check in case of any symptoms, and strict precautions to be followed to avoid this COVID pandemic.